Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today I will help you to practice let's sentences in English. Our first sentence is let's play a game. Now repeat that with me. Let's play a game. Next we have let's go home. Repeat after me. Let's go home. Now try this one. Let's go to school. Can you say that? Let's go to school. Our next sentence is let's talk about it at the dinner. Try saying that. Let's talk about it at the dinner. Next up, let's do it again. Repeat after me. Let's do it again. Let's move on to let's look to the future. Try saying that. Let's look to the future. Now let's try this. Let's go to Sam's house. Repeat after me. Let's go to Sam's house. Our next sentence is let's eat pizza. Try saying that. Let's eat pizza. How about this one? Let's play tennis for a change. Try saying that. Let's play tennis for a change. Next we have let's split the bill. Can you repeat that? Let's split the bill. Now, let's try this. Let's go for a walk. Can you say that? Let's go for a walk. Our next phrase is let's go for a drive on Sunday. Can you repeat that? Let's go for a drive on Sunday. Now let's try let's have breakfast now. Try saying that. Let's have breakfast now. How about this? Let's hope he gets it right. Can you repeat that? Let's hope he gets it right. Let's move on to let's see if she can swim very well. Try saying that. Let's see if she can swim very well. Next we have let's spend time together. Repeat after me. Let's spend time together. Now let's try let's go to the theatre first and eat afterward. Can you repeat that? Let's go to the theatre first and eat afterward. Our next sentence is let's find out what is going on in her life. Try saying that. Let's find out what is going on in her life. How about this one? Let's meet up for coffee tomorrow. Try saying that. Let's meet up for coffee tomorrow. Now let's try let's watch a movie this weekend. Can you repeat that? Let's watch a movie this weekend. And finally, let's try that restaurant downtown. Can you repeat that? Let's try that restaurant downtown. Excellent work. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sentences until they become second nature. You're doing great, and before you know it, you'll be a master at using let's in your English sentences. Keep up the good work and never stop learning.